Have you ever walked into your apartment and thought, wow, this place feels way too small? Maybe you don't have enough storage, maybe your furniture feels bulky, or maybe no matter what you do, it just looks cluttered. Here's the good news. You don't need a bigger apartment to live comfortably, you just need smarter design. With the right tricks, even the tiniest studio can feel open, cozy, and stylish. In this video, I'm going to share some brilliant tiny apartment decor ideas that are not only modern and practical, but also super affordable. These are easy tips that anyone can try. No fancy budget, no complicated tools, and no interior design degree required. By the end, you'll see how small changes, like using the right colors, lighting, and storage hacks, can completely transform your apartment into a place you'll love to come home to. So, if you're ready to make your small space look bigger, brighter, and way more stylish, let's get started. 1. Start with smart layouts. When it comes to tiny apartments, the layout is everything. Think of your apartment like a puzzle. You need each piece of furniture to fit perfectly without blocking the flow. Let's start with furniture. Instead of buying bulky items, look for pieces that do more than one job. A sofa bed is the classic example. In the morning, it's a comfy couch to relax on, and at night, it transforms into your bed. This way, you save tons of space. Another great option is a foldable dining table. You can open it when you're eating or having guests over, and tuck it away when you don't need it. Some people even use wall-mounted drop-leaf tables that fold completely flat against the wall, perfect for studio apartments. Now let's talk about zoning. Zoning means dividing your apartment into mini areas without walls. For example, place a rug under your sofa and coffee table. That instantly creates a living room zone. If you work from home, put your desk by a window and maybe add a small lamp. That becomes your work zone. Even if everything is technically in the same room, your brain starts to recognize these separate spaces, and your home feels more organized and less cramped. Here's another tip. Don't push all your furniture against the walls just because you think it saves space. Sometimes leaving just a little breathing room around a piece makes your apartment look bigger. For example, pulling your sofa a few inches away from the wall can create the illusion of depth. Remember, in a small apartment, it's not about how many things you can squeeze in. It's about how smartly you arrange what you already have. With the right layout, your tiny home can suddenly feel twice as big. 2. Light is your best friend. One of the fastest and easiest ways to make a small apartment feel bigger is with light. Think about it. Bright, airy spaces always feel more open, while dark rooms feel closed in and heavy. Start with natural light. If you've got windows, don't cover them with heavy, dark curtains. Switch to sheer or light-colored curtains that let the sunlight pour in. Natural light instantly makes your space feel cheerful and more spacious. But here's the fun part. Mirrors. Mirrors don't just help you get ready in the morning, they're magic for small spaces. Place a mirror across from a window, and suddenly, the light bounces around the room. It's almost like adding another window without doing any construction. If you don't want just one big mirror, try a set of smaller mirrors arranged as wall decor. They'll reflect light and also add personality to your walls. Now, let's talk about nighttime. A lot of people rely on just one bright ceiling light, but that often makes a room feel harsh. Instead, use layers of lighting. Add a floor lamp in the corner, a desk lamp for your workspace, or a bedside lamp for reading. Even better, use affordable LED strip lights. Stick them under cabinets, behind your TV, or under your bed frame. They're cheap, easy to install, and instantly give your apartment that modern, cozy glow you see in designer homes. Light isn't just about seeing, it's about feeling. The right lighting makes your home feel warm, welcoming, and bigger than it actually is. So, treat light as your best friend when decorating your apartment. 3. Clever storage hacks. Storage. This is the #1 struggle in small apartments. Where do you put all your stuff without making your space look like a messy closet? The answer is clever storage. The first rule is, go vertical. Don't just focus on the floor, look up. Walls are wasted space if you don't use them. Tall bookshelves, floating shelves, or wall-mounted racks can hold a lot without eating up your floor. Even above-the-door shelves can store things like books, boxes, or decor you don't need every day. Second rule, hidden storage is your best friend. Imagine a bed with built-in drawers underneath. You can hide off-season clothes or bedding there. An ottoman that opens up? Perfect for blankets, toys, or anything you don't want lying around. Coffee tables with shelves underneath or side tables with little compartments also help keep clutter away while still looking stylish. Don't forget about the forgotten spaces. The back of doors is perfect for hanging organizers or hooks. In the kitchen, add racks inside your cabinet doors for spices, pot lids, or cleaning supplies. Even a slim rolling cart that slides between your fridge and wall can hold snacks or canned food. Here's the golden rule: let your storage look good. Instead of ugly plastic bins, use woven baskets, wooden crates, or fabric boxes that match your decor. A ladder shelf can display your favorite plants while storing books at the same time. That way, your apartment looks neat, organized, and beautiful all at once. In small spaces, storage isn't just about hiding things. It's about making your space work harder for you. Every inch should have a purpose. 4. Color and illusion. Now let's talk about color, because the shades you choose can completely change how your apartment feels. Light colors are your best friend in small spaces. Whites, soft grays, light beige, or gentle pastels make walls feel like they're pushed farther back, giving the illusion of more space. Dark colors, on the other hand, tend to absorb light and can make a room feel smaller and heavier. That doesn't mean your home has to be boring. You can add personality with an accent wall, maybe a pale blue wall in your living area or a soft green in your bedroom. Even just painting one wall a different color makes the room feel stylish without overwhelming it. Here's a clever trick: paint your walls and furniture in similar shades. For example, if your walls are off-white, choose a sofa in a light neutral tone. This makes everything blend together and tricks the eye into thinking the space is bigger. And if you love patterns, keep them small and simple. Big, bold prints can overpower a tiny apartment. Instead, try geometric throw pillows, a textured rug, or striped curtains. These details add charm without shrinking your space. 5. Furniture that works hard. Furniture is one of the most important parts of tiny apartment living, and here's the rule: every piece should either save space, create space, or do more than one job. Let's start with foldable furniture. A fold-down desk attached to your wall is amazing if you work from home but don't want a big desk taking up space all the time. Nesting tables are another smart choice. You can stack them together when not in use, and spread them out when you have guests. If you really want to maximize space, consider a Murphy bed, the kind that folds up into the wall. During the day, you have a full open area, and at night, you simply pull down your bed. It's like magic for small apartments. Also, choose furniture with slim, visible legs instead of bulky bases. For example, a slim sofa on legs looks lighter than a heavy couch that touches the ground. The more floor you can see, the bigger your apartment will feel. Even small choices matter. A round dining table takes up less room than a square one, and it's easier to move around. These little swaps make daily life so much more comfortable. 6. Decor that doubles as function. Decor isn't just about looking pretty. It can also work hard for you in a tiny apartment. Plants are a perfect example. They add color, life, and freshness to your space, and many indoor plants even help clean the air. A small hanging plant or a tall floor plant in the corner can instantly brighten the room without taking up much space. Wall art can also be functional. Instead of just hanging pictures, try pegboards or wall grids. You can use them to hold keys, sunglasses, mail, or even kitchen tools while still looking stylish. Storage baskets are another must-have. A beautiful woven basket by your sofa can hold blankets, books, or even kids' toys. They hide clutter but add texture to your decor. And don't forget about multi-purpose lighting. Lamps with built-in shelves or USB charging ports are both practical and decorative. It's about finding pieces that not only look good but also make your everyday life easier. 7. Personal touch and budget-friendly ideas. Finally, let's talk about adding your personal touch, because your apartment should feel like you, not just a showroom. DIY projects are one of the easiest ways to do this. You can repaint old furniture, create your own wall art, or even sew your own pillow covers. It saves money and gives your apartment a unique style. Don't forget about thrift stores or secondhand markets. You can often find amazing furniture pieces at a fraction of the cost. A little paint or polish can make them look brand new. Mix high and low. Maybe you splurge on one special piece, a comfy sofa or a statement chair, and then keep the rest simple and affordable. That way, your apartment looks stylish without breaking your budget. And most importantly, add personal items. Family photos, souvenirs from trips, or cozy textiles like blankets and cushions make your home feel warm and welcoming. At the end of the day, decorating a small apartment is about creativity, not money. With the right ideas, even the tiniest space can feel big, modern, and truly yours. And that's it, brilliant tiny apartment decor ideas that prove small spaces can be just as stylish and functional as big ones. Remember, it's not about the size of your apartment, it's about how smartly you design it. With the right layout, lighting, storage hacks, and a few personal touches, you can transform your home into a place you truly love. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more affordable and modern design ideas, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I'd also love to hear from you. What's your favorite small space hack? Or do you have a clever decor idea that works in your apartment? Drop it in the comments below, because your idea might inspire someone else watching. Thanks for spending time with me today, and until next time, keep creating a home that makes you happy, no matter how small it is.